What's up, you guys? So I'm currently in the car and I'm taking this vlog off on my phone, but basically I'm getting ready for vacation. You guys still don't know where I'm going yet. I just filmed a video, that's why I'm not bringing my camera because it's dead. So there's that. So I'm gonna be vlogging on my phone probably for the first part of today, but this is going to be a variation of many different days because I'm not going to get everything done right now. It's still kind of early. We got 4 more weeks until we go on vacation, and I'm just prepping and getting some things that I know that we need. We pretty much have all like clothes stuff. I do have to do a few returns, get a luggage, and I think that's all I'm gonna do today. But I also want to vlog kind of like me getting ready, me packing, things like that here for you guys, so you guys can kind of see how I'm preparing for this trip. I'm super excited. I can't wait. But right now, let's go, because it's pretty hot outside and definitely hot in this car right now. So we're gonna head to Target, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, and that's about it. I really haven't been vlogging, but I'm in Marshalls. No, TJ Maxx. And I'm thinking about getting this luggage because the purple one that I have is super small. And then this for my girlfriend, a little backpack to use as a carry-on because I have my book bag already. So I'm thinking of getting her that. And yeah, I'm just gonna look around and see if I find anything else. Hold on, let me see. Small. I'm thinking about getting this Levi's shirt. I'll have it here just in case, but I want to go look at the home stuff because I always look at that when I'm here. So okay guys, so it is many days later. In the previous clips I kind of just showed a little bit of me getting my nails done, not really, and then a pedicure. These are actually what my nails look like. I got them done, I want to say today's Monday, so I got them done Saturday, and this is what they are. I may or may not change the pinky and the pointer, but that's beside the point. I wanted to share with you guys some of the things that I got for this vacation. But the first thing I want to talk about is having a manila folder or some kind of folder to kind of like organize your trip, to have your reservations, your identification that you're going to need if you need it. Again, any kind of confirmations, things like that. I think it's just a really good idea just to create a folder titled whatever it is the vacation is or whatever. You don't even have to title it, but just have a checklist that you create on the side to kind of make sure you have all the things that you need before you leave. So this is my folder. I'm not going to turn it around because it has the reveal on it, and if I do, again, my little sister is going to see, so just kind of imagine. But I have my checklist on this side with everything that I need in here. One thing I did make was a packing list, so I wrote down everything that we were going to need for this vacation, and I am using that to kind of pack to make sure I'm not missing or forgetting anything. Now, as far as things that I want to share with you all, let's just start with some bathing suits. This one was from Target. I just really fell in love with this black top, and so I got it, but it's super cute. It's kind of like a bandeau almost, but obviously it has the straps, and I just think it's super cute, so I'm going to bring this. I just picked up these red bottoms, your standard kind of bottom to go with them. Red and black always looks good together. And then this second one I think I got from either TJ Maxx or Marshalls, and this one's a strapless bathing suit, but you can put the straps on if you'd like. I like to wear this without the straps, and it's just this nice navy blue kind of color. And then I'm really into like the greenery plants and stuff like that, not real, fake ones. So I got these bottoms to go with it. It has the blue that the top has, and then of course the green. And then the last bathing suit that I am going to pack is this one right here. I don't remember the exact website, and I don't want to say the wrong name that I received this bathing suit from, but I will link it down below if I can find it. If not, I'll have at least the name of the place. Whatever I can find, it'll be down below for this bathing suit if you guys are interested in purchasing something similar or the same thing or whatever. I know summer's coming to an end, but there's no harm in purchasing a bathing suit for next summer. But it's like this really deep V-cut bathing suit. It's white. It's how would you say it, like it cuts off right here at the shoulder, so it's like a t-shirt almost, and it has the deep V-neck and the back is exposed, and then this is the bottom, so it's like this. I have not tried this on. This is in a size small. I'm kind of thinking just from looking at it that I probably should have gotten a medium, but your girl is really tiny, so we'll see how it looks on me, and hopefully I'm okay with it. But I really love the quality of the bathing suit as far as like feeling it and seeing it. Like, it's really good quality. It does have like those little nip pad things in here so that the bathing suit's not see-through and you're seeing all your goods. So I really like that in the construction of the bathing suit, and I can't wait to put it on. As far as clothes go, a few pieces that I want to share with you all is this right here. This is a romper, I guess, a shorts romper, but when you put it on, again, it has that little deep V part, but it's not as deep as the bathing suit. And then it's shorts, but it kind of looks like a dress the way that it's set up, and I just think it's really, really pretty, and I definitely can't wait to put this on either. And I think I'm going to wear this to dinner with my tan heels that actually you can see back there, those over there, those wedges. I think I'll wear it with this, but I got this from the mall, a store here called Urban Planet. They have some really nice things for such an affordable price. I think I paid like $10–15 for this romper. 15. So this romper was $15. And then the last clothing item that I want to share with you all is this two-piece from Amazon. Now, first of all, I'm scared when it comes to ordering clothes off of line, period. Amazon even more so, but I saw this, I've been looking at it for like forever, so I decided to just bite the bullet and purchase it. And it's like this two-piece. If I can find like the link or a picture or something, I'll insert it on the screen because it'll definitely make more sense in a picture. But it's a two-piece. The top definitely fits me perfectly, but the bottoms are a little baggy and the ankle part isn't as tight on my ankle as I remember the picture being. So I mean, in the future I can just get it tailored probably. The bottoms, like the ankle part, I can just get this tailored, that way it's a little bit more snatched on my ankle, but I don't really mind the bagginess, and I just think that it's super pretty, definitely very summery, and I love the orange. So living for this, and again, I'll link that down below if I can find it. And for my makeup bag, I'm just gonna bring this big Steve Madden bag. I'm gonna have a checked-in bag, a carry-on, and a personal bag. Going, I won't have a carry-on because I want to save my carry-on for the things that I'll purchase in Florida and wherever else that we go. So all those things will go on my carry-on, and then this big bag is gonna go in my luggage, which you guys see back there, and you guys seen in the beginning of this whole vlog that I did pick that up from Marshall's or TJ Maxx. I want to say TJ Maxx. But nonetheless, I have this big makeup bag. I will be packing my makeup with you guys. Probably do like a little montage or something of me picking out my makeup or whatever the case may be. But you guys will get to see some of the goodies that go in this bag. I do have lots of ideas of makeup that I want to bring. I say I'm going to be minimal, but I highly doubt that. I mean, I have all this space to fill, so there's that. You know, whenever you try to pack light, sometimes it just don't work like that. I need options. So when it comes to electronics, I have this right here. This right here is super, super cool. I cannot wait to use it for the trip. It's hard for me to explain what it is, but I use my phone for this, and basically it allows me to, what is that feature called? I can't think of the name, but basically where it just like glides up, down, around, and wherever you want it to go smoothly, so that way it's like a smooth transition type thing. I really can't wait to play with this some more. This is kind of new to me, so I haven't played too much with it, but I am gonna bring it because I have some awesome and cool ideas for the vlogs to come. So this is gonna be super fun to use, and I know it's a bit bulky, but I have a bag specifically for my electronics. So that's one. Obviously, I'm gonna bring my tripod, of course. This is my little handheld tripod that I use all the time, you know, when I'm having it on a small tripod. I'm gonna leave my bigger one here at home. And then in this bag, I kind of just have, this is like a box because I did order additional batteries finally for my camera. So now I have a total of 3 batteries for it, so I don't have to worry about my camera dying and not being able to get footage. And I also ordered a new SD card, which is actually in the camera right now. So now I have 2 SD cards. Don't have to worry about space or none of that. So all that's great. This is the charger port right here for the batteries. So I'm going to bring this so I can charge my batteries. And also I'm going to bring an adapter of some sort with me as well. And then this cord is to charge this right here. Okay guys, so that's pretty much all that I wanted to show you all. Babe will be home soon. Hopefully she had a hair appointment. She's cutting her hair, or so she says she's cutting her hair. I have been telling her not to cut it for a long time, but then finally I just like kind of caved in because, like, you know, hair grows back. I mean, I cut my hair. Who am I to say she can't cut it? But I'm sure she'll still look good, but can't wait to see that when she gets back. And then when she gets here, we can kind of really go through everything and go down our list and make sure we have everything and pack everything. And I will kind of just do like a montage of that. And yeah, I know the makeup I will probably do in a little bit. I have to go clean my vanity. My brushes won't go in today. I'll clean them on tomorrow night. That way they're dry by Wednesday and I can pack them by Wednesday night for us to leave Thursday morning. So that's what I have. That's basically where we're at right now. Again, 3 more days till vacation. If I didn't even say it, it's 3 more days and I'm so excited. Look at the bubbles. Look at the bubbles. Roxy, you know mommy's going bye-bye? You know I'm going bye-byes? You want me to stay home? You look like you want me to stay home. She's just the cutest thing, you guys. She's so sweet and so well behaved. Couldn't have asked for a better child. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go clean off my vanity and then we can start packing the makeup, which is the fun part, right? So let's revert to the beauty room.